In a mystical world where Vikings and dragons coexist, a young Viking named Hiccup embarks on a journey to train a dragon. Hiccup's village is constantly under attack by dragons, and he is determined to prove himself by capturing one. During a dragon raid, Hiccup manages to shoot down a Night Fury, the most elusive and dangerous dragon species. When Hiccup finds the injured dragon, he realizes that it is not as dangerous as he thought and decides to help it. Hiccup names the dragon Toothless and starts training him secretly, away from the disapproval of his fellow Vikings. As Hiccup and Toothless bond, they discover the true nature of dragons and the possibility of peace between Vikings and dragons. Hiccup's father, the village chief, discovers Hiccup's secret and is initially disappointed, but eventually comes to understand the importance of their friendship. Hiccup and Toothless lead the Vikings and dragons in a battle against a common enemy, proving that understanding and cooperation can overcome fear and prejudice.